Hello everybody, just giving you guys an update on my grape tomatoes. These are cherry sweet grape tomatoes. Looks like I'm going to be harvesting quite a few here in about a week or so. It looks like some of them already are turning red, but these look plump and juicy, and I can't wait to put these bad boys in a salad. I just gave them a good fertilizer as well, and water for the hot temperatures that we're going to have today in Ohio. And I was just giving you guys an update on my grape tomatoes. Look at that. I'm going to pick you first, buddy. You're going to be the taste tester. You looking good and plump and juicy. I can't wait to put y'all in some salad with some cucumbers. It's going to be so good. But here is a update of my cherry sweet grape tomatoes. I will give you guys an update when I harvest. Thank you for watching and have a good day.